Drafting a lease deed can be confusing, especially for beginners. Uh, it's not just about filling in blanks. You have to ensure both parties are adequately protected. Miss a key element, and you might be setting yourself up for a legal challenge later. Um, uh, First, identify the parties involved. Sounds simple, right? But you'd be amazed how often people mess this up. And it's crucial to have the correct legal names and addresses of all parties involved to avoid identity confusion. And next up, the term of the lease. Are we talking, 6 months or a decade? And this sets up expectations from the get-go. Be clear on the start and end dates, or you may find your biggest asset slipping away sooner than you think. Specify the rent amount and due date. One of the major pain points for tenants is surprise hikes in rent. Make sure you have clear terms about rent increases. Nobody wants to be blindsided right in the middle of a holiday season. Include security deposit details. Tenants want to know they'll get their deposit back. Clearly outline the conditions for refunds to avoid those awkward "where's my money" conversations. Trust me, nobody likes those. So don't forget maintenance responsibilities. This often leads to disputes. Map out who handles what, tenants fixing leaky faucets or landlords providing pest control. The last thing you want is a game of not it in a crisis. Pro tip, include dispute resolution clauses. Not all disagreements need a courtroom drama. Write in mediation or arbitration clauses to give both parties peace of mind and save on time and money when things go south. Restrictions and permissions are next. Whether it's about pets, alterations, or subletting, nobody likes surprises. Clear terms here. Save endless communication headaches later. And no tenant wants their pet guinea pig to be an eviction cause. Include provisions for property insurance. Landlords often require tenants to have renters insurance, and tenants benefit from knowing their belongings are covered. A win-win clause, if you ask me, and one often overlooked by newbies. Clarify the conditions for lease renewal or termination. Preparing for the lease end date is just as crucial as starting it. Clear terms ensure everyone knows how to continue or say goodbye without a fuss. Pro tip, have clauses about property inspections. Tenants deserve privacy, but landlords need property upkeep assurance. State notice durations before inspections to keep both sides happy and avoid accusations of unexpected visits. Before finalizing, review legal compliance. Residential leases need to align with state and local laws. Forget this, and you're playing a very risky game. In Portland, like many places, local rules can impact tenant rights majorly. Finally, draft with foresight. Nobody can predict the future, but anticipating changes helps. You're aiming for an agreement that stands the test of time and circumstance. A well-drafted lease deed isn't just paperwork. It's peace of mind